Flying doesn't have to be stressful. Stick around and we'll share some airplane travel hacks that'll save you time, space, and maybe even a few headaches.
Yes! And you won't believe how easy some of these are. Like packing a carry-on properly. So simple if you know the tricks. And oh yeah, if you like, you can like this video. Only if you want to, though. Welcome to Traveluptuous. I'm Lucia and I love exploring new places. Even if I'm always running a bit late for my flights. But that's part of the adventure, right?
And I'm Don. I never run late because I follow some very simple travel hacks to stay organized. Just planning. Today we're sharing all our best airplane travel tips to make your next flight as smooth as possible.
Yes, trust me. You're going to want to know these. Especially if you're, the type to, maybe forget things like I do. Oh, and don't forget to, subscribe if you feel like it, or don't. Totally cool either way.
Hack number 1. Use a packing cube system. It makes organizing your clothes easier, saves space, and helps you find things in a hurry. You don't want to be the person digging through their bag, pulling out random socks at the gate.
Oh my gosh, yes. It's like playing Tetris with your clothes, but so satisfying. And you can keep your clean clothes separated from the ones that are, well, kinda questionable.
Exactly. Plus, it keeps everything compressed, so you have more room for... What was it you packed, Lucia? Snacks?
Yes, snacks. The important stuff. Don't judge. Okay, hack number 2. Roll your clothes. Don't fold them. You can fit way more in your bag if you roll them up. And it's fun too. Just keep rolling.
Not only that, but it also reduces wrinkles. You don't want to land at your destination looking like you just slept in your suitcase. Which, to be fair, I've seen happen.
Ha! Guilty! But seriously, rolling clothes is life-changing. And if you want to roll into more hacks, you could subscribe. That was smooth, right?
Next, make sure you always bring a power bank. There's nothing worse than running out of battery mid-flight, especially if you're in the middle of a movie and the in-seat charger isn't working.
Or if you're stuck next to someone who really wants to chat. Pop in your headphones, say, "Oh no, I need to charge my phone," and bam! Instant escape.
Multifunctional. Saves your battery and possibly your sanity.
Exactly. Power banks, saving flights and awkward conversations since, well, whenever they were invented. Hack number 4. Layer up. Planes are like mood rings. 1 minute it's freezing, the next minute it's boiling. Layers are your best friend in this situation.
Always have a light jacket or sweater, even if you're flying to a tropical destination. The airplane cabin's temperature is unpredictable, and you don't want to spend the flight shivering.
Or using that tiny airline blanket. Seriously, what are those even made of? Cardboard? I always wrap my scarf around the pillow for extra comfort. Oh, and subscribe if you want to stay warm and cozy, obviously.
Before you board, always download offline maps and any entertainment you might need. Airplane Wi-Fi isn't always reliable, and you'll want everything ready before the flight.
Oh yes, especially the maps. There's nothing worse than getting to your destination and realizing your Wi-Fi or data plan doesn't work. Trust me, I've been lost in so many airports.
Let's avoid that. Offline maps can save you the hassle. Also, load up on movies and shows. In-flight entertainment isn't always guaranteed, and you'll thank yourself later when the system glitches.
No Wi-Fi, no problem. And if you like this tip, don't forget to download. Hit that like button, if you're feeling it. Hack number 6. Stay hydrated. Planes are so dry, but airport water is ridiculously expensive.
Solution. Bring an empty water bottle through security and fill it up at the airport. It saves money and you'll stay hydrated for the whole flight.
And if you're like me, maybe throw in some instant coffee packets. Just ask for hot water on the plane and voila, your own mid-air cafe.
Creative and thrifty. Coffee at cruising altitude. Now that's a pro move.
Hack number 8. Bring snacks. Because let's be real, plane food is not gourmet. Plus, sometimes your food options on a flight are, well, less than ideal.
Exactly. Pre-pack some snacks like nuts, granola bars, or dried fruit. You'll save money, avoid hunger, and be glad you have something you actually like mid-flight.
And don't forget chocolate, emergency chocolate. It's a must for, chocolate emergencies.
Very practical, Lucia. Make sure it doesn't melt though. Pro tip, avoid gooey snacks on a flight. Stick to things that are clean and easy to eat.
Totally. And if you're snack savvy like us, maybe you're the type who hits subscribe before grabbing a snack.
This next one's simple but highly effective. When charging your phone on the flight, switch it to airplane mode. It charges much faster that way, and you'll conserve battery too.
Oh my gosh, I had no idea about this one. So basically, by the time we land, I won't be the one sprinting around the airport looking for a charger station?
Exactly. You'll get to enjoy your trip instead of panicking about your phone's battery life.
Smart and stress-free? Love it! Okay, hack number 10. Choose your seat wisely. I'm all about that window seat for the best naps. But if you need easy access to the aisle for, frequent bathroom trips, grab the aisle seat.
And for those who need extra legroom, aim for the exit row. It's worth paying a bit extra for more space if you're on a long flight.
Yes, legroom is everything. Oh, and whatever you do, avoid the last row if you can. Nobody wants to be stuck near the bathrooms or dealing with limited reclining.
True. Plan ahead, and your seat could make all the difference in your flight comfort. Plus, booking early gives you more choices.
Just don't forget to check in early too. Airlines are sneaky like that.
Hack number 11. Dress comfortably, but don't forget to be prepared for different environments. Layering is key, but also consider shoes that are easy to slip on and off during security checks.
Oh, definitely. Those long security lines are the worst when you're stuck unlacing some complicated boots. Slip-on shoes save time and effort.
Exactly. And pro tip, compression socks for long flights can be a lifesaver. Great for circulation and comfort during long hauls.
Yes. Compression socks are a must. Plus, you can still look stylish if you pick the right ones. Fashion and function. What's not to love? Hack number 12 is all about saving money before you even get on the plane. Set up price alerts for flights. This way, you'll know when prices drop and you can snag the best deal without constantly refreshing your browser.
Exactly. A great tool for this is trip.com. You can set up alerts for your preferred routes, and they'll notify you when there's a price drop. It takes the stress out of booking.
And bonus, we've got a link to trip.com down in the description. So if you're feeling the travel bug, go ahead and set those alerts to save big. Who doesn't love scoring a cheap flight?
If you want to sail through security without stress, hack number 13 is for you. Use a clear plastic bag for your liquids and make sure they're all under 100 milliliters.
Yeah, nothing screams airport disaster like forgetting your liquids bag and holding up the line while TSA pulls out your shampoo and lotion for inspection.
Keep your liquids visible and easy to access. The clearer, the better. And hey, it keeps things organized so you're not rummaging through your bag at the checkpoint.
Exactly. And, maybe keep extra space in your clear plastic bag for when you're feeling generous and want to sneak in an extra bottle of water. Or not. Just saying. Hack number 14 is all about staying sane. Bring noise-canceling headphones. Crying babies, loud snorers, chatty neighbors, problem solved.
Absolutely. You'll enjoy your in-flight entertainment or just some peaceful quiet, and you won't have to hear every word of that passenger's life story next to you.
Seriously, these are a lifesaver. Plus, you look way more zen with them on. People might even think you're someone super important.
So there you have it. Our top airplane travel hacks to make your journey more comfortable, stress-free, and maybe even a little fun.
Yeah, whether you're flying solo or with friends, these tips are total game changers. Plus, they'll make you look like a travel pro.
And if you found any of these hacks useful, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more smart travel tips.
Oh, and check out the links in the description for flight deals, hotel discounts, and some seriously good rental car savings. Because who doesn't love a huge discount?
Thanks for flying with us. We'll see you on your next adventure. And remember, stay organized, stay hydrated, and avoid the last row.
And pack snacks, lots of snacks. Until next time, happy travels everyone.